Stop doubting yourself. Believe in your dreams, just like Sammy the sunflower. In a big sunny garden, there was a little seed named Sammy. Sammy had a dream, to become the tallest, most beautiful sunflower in the garden. Every day, Sammy felt the warm sun and the cool drops of rain. He tried to grow fast, but the other seeds sprouted before him, and soon tall plants surrounded him. Sammy felt discouraged. Will I ever grow tall like them? He wondered. One day, a wise old worm wriggled by and said, "Don't give up, little seed. Keep reaching for the sun, and you'll grow in your own time." So Sammy didn't give up. He stretched his roots deeper into the soil and kept reaching for the sun. Slowly but surely, he grew taller and taller. One morning, he finally sprouted out of the ground and felt the warm sunshine on his leaves. As days passed, Sammy grew into the tallest sunflower in the garden, with bright golden petals that reached toward the sky. He realized that even though it took time, his dream had come true. Sometimes all you need is patience and determination to grow into something amazing.